Infinity Tools is proud to offer the MillRight Mega V XL CNC because we consider it to be the best value in the CNC market. Made in the USA, the Mega V is built with robust 100mm by 60mm extruded rails. The 35-inch by 35-inch work envelope will handle most jobs. This is not a tabletop toy. The full-size T-plate table is larger than the work envelope, allowing ample room for clamping on all sides of the workpiece. The rigid frame construction is combined with 1/4-inch thick steel bearing plates. These plates are twice as thick as most competitors and are captured by top and bottom rollers. Add the high-performance NEMA 23 drive motors and steel rack-and-pinion drive system and you have unmatched performance. All this provides a stable platform that means the machine can handle speed. The Mega V is able to traverse at 650 inches per minute and has a maximum cutting rate of 500 inches per minute. This means the Mega V can cut more than twice as fast as some other machines can traverse. Did I mention the Mega V comes complete with a 1.5 horsepower Makita motor and a premium dust boot with magnetic attachment, all solidly attached in a billet aluminum mount. When paired with best-selling Vectric software or Fusion 360 from Autodesk, getting familiar and getting started on your CNC is a user-friendly process. MillRight's tutorial videos will also come in handy. For all these reasons and more, we're proud to offer the Mega V. It takes small CNC to an industrial level.